Hey, Automox here. Let's walk through using the Automox agent with a proxy server. Many organizations use a proxy server to manage and monitor internet traffic. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between a client and the external network. Typically, there are two types of configurations: caching and transparent. Only a caching proxy requires changes to work with Automox. If your environment is using a normal caching proxy, you can still use Automox. Automox requires that you configure clients with an HTTP proxy system environment variable. This can be configured for both Windows and Linux systems. For Windows clients, start by navigating to the Control panel and select System and Security. Next, select System and then Advanced System Settings. Finally, open Environment Variables. From here, you will need to create a new system variable. For variable name, enter http_proxy. Next, enter your proxy server name or IP address and the port number to satisfy the variable value. Once all the information has been entered, click OK to save the configuration. Your proxy server is now configured on your Windows client for the Automox agent. For more information on using the Automox agent with a proxy server, visit support.automox.com.